Hey everybody, it's Joe from Vivo. And if you're an avid social media user, and you probably are because you're watching this video, you might be asking yourself, what the heck is this new app called TikTok that everybody is talking about? Well, we're going to tell you what it is and why you should care in this video. Let's jump into it. TikTok is a social media app where users can post short, looping videos of themselves lip-syncing to popular music, acting goofy, or pretty much anything they want you to see. The interface is smooth, it's simple, and it's easy to navigate too. And with just a flick of your finger, you can follow individual accounts, search for hashtags, and leave comments or likes on your favorite videos. TikTok is immensely popular among social media users. In fact, the app reached 500 million active users faster than both Facebook and Instagram. That actually makes sense, since TikTok can be downloaded in more than 150 countries and supports 75 languages. In fact, it's so addicting that the app's developers had to implement an anti-addiction feature that encourages users to take a break. As it grows, more and more celebrities are joining the TikTok army, as well as big brands like the NFL. It's a platform that shows no signs of slowing down just yet. All right, there you go. Now you know a little bit more about TikTok than you did before. Download the app, check it out, watch some of the content, maybe even try to become a TikTok star yourself. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, leave a comment, or visit us at vivocreative.net if you need help with social media. See you next time.